Macie's Minute.
Hi guys, welcome to Macie's Minute. Today we're going to be opening up the 5 surprise unicorn squad. Let's see what unicorn we find. I got this 5 surprise unicorn squad at Five Below for $5. $5. Let's see if it was worth my allowance. Our first surprise. We got a comb and we also got some gem stickers. Our second surprise. We got some putty. Our last surprise before we open our unicorn. We first got 4 shoes. And then we got a tiara. And a little dress for our unicorn. Time to open our unicorn. Here's our hair and here's the unicorn. Oopsies, it fell. Now let's see who we got. We got Anastasia. Here's the one that we got. Guys, I did not know there's another side. Her real name is Bella. I'm so sorry. I think it is a good deal. It comes with more accessories than most $5 blind box toys. I'm going to be getting more with my allowance. We will have weekly videos and contests. Thank you for watching Macie's Minute. If you like videos like this, please subscribe. Comment down below what toys you want us to review. Make sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram too. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye, 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 bye.